Hello, welcome to your channel. I'm Derek. Imagine being able to earn 1K to 10K a month from the comfort of your home with minimal startup costs. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. In today's world, achieving financial freedom isn't reserved for a lucky few. It's accessible to anyone willing to explore smart, low-investment business ideas. In this video, we'll dive into 5 business ideas that require minimal investment but have the potential to generate substantial income each month. From leveraging digital platforms to offering in-demand services, these ideas are not only easy to start, but also scalable as your experience and confidence grow. Stick around until the end, and you'll have actionable insights to start your own profitable home-based business. Ready to change your life? Let's get started. Business idea number 1. Start a faceless YouTube channel. You can create a successful YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera by using tools like TubeMagic and Pictory. With TubeMagic, you can generate endless video ideas, optimize titles, and script outlines. Pictory, on the other hand, allows you to transform those scripts into engaging videos using stock footage, text overlays, and AI-generated voiceovers. Steps to start a faceless YouTube channel. 1. Choose a niche. Pick a niche that has broad appeal, but also matches your interests. Think list videos, educational content, or storytelling in areas like finance, technology, or lifestyle. Use TubeMagic to research high-demand, low-competition topics that resonate with a large audience. 2. Create engaging content. Develop content ideas using TubeMagic's tools to find trending topics and keywords. Then use Pictory to create videos without showing your face. Pictory can turn your scripts into videos using high-quality stock footage, AI voiceovers, and text-to-speech features, allowing you to produce professional content on a budget. 3. Optimize videos for SEO. Ensure your videos are discoverable by optimizing your titles, descriptions, and tags using TubeMagic's tools. This will help you rank higher in search results, increasing your chances of attracting views and growing your audience organically. 4. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. As your channel grows, you can monetize through Google AdSense by enabling ads on your videos. You can also partner with brands for sponsorship deals, where you promote their products without ever showing your face. Utilize affiliate marketing by recommending products and earning commissions from sales generated through your affiliate links. Additionally, create exclusive content behind paywalls or offer digital products related to your niche. Want to learn more about creating a profitable faceless YouTube channel? Join our free training to discover how to outsource every step of the way, from video ideas to production, without ever showing your face or creating videos yourself. Click the link in the description to start your journey to success today. Business idea number 2, dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce model that allows you to sell products online without ever handling inventory. You list products on your store, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to them. One of the main advantages of dropshipping is the low startup costs. Since you don't need to invest in inventory up front, you only pay for products when you sell them. This model reduces financial risk and allows you to experiment with different products and niches. Steps to start a dropshipping business. 1. Choose a profitable niche and find suppliers. Start by researching niches that have high demand but low competition. Consider using tools like Google Trends or niche research tools to find profitable areas. Next, find reliable suppliers through platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehoo, ensuring they offer quality products, competitive pricing, and fast shipping. 2. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify. Create an online store using platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms make it easy to set up and customize your store, add products, and manage payments securely. 3. Market your products through social media and SEO. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products. Invest in SEO to ensure your store appears in search results, driving organic traffic. Consider using paid ads to target specific audiences and increase sales. Focus on excellent customer service, competitive pricing, and effective marketing. Building trust with your customers is key to repeat business. Respond promptly to inquiries, address complaints professionally, and use customer feedback to improve your offerings. Business idea number 3. Freelance writing or content creation. Freelance writing is a versatile and lucrative business opportunity. It involves creating content for blogs, websites, social media, and more. If you enjoy writing and have a knack for storytelling, this can be a great way to earn money from home. Popular platforms to find freelance writing gigs include Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. These platforms connect you with businesses, bloggers, and publications in need of quality content. Each platform has its own strengths, so explore all options to maximize opportunities. Steps to start. 1. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. If you're just starting, consider writing sample articles or offering your services at a discounted rate to build a strong portfolio. Use a personal website or a platform like Contently to display your work. 2. Identify niches you enjoy or are knowledgeable about. Focus on niches where you have expertise or interest, such as tech, health, finance, or lifestyle. Specializing in a niche allows you to command higher rates and become an authority in that area. 3. Network and pitch to potential clients. Use LinkedIn and other social networks to connect with potential clients. Pitch your services by sending tailored proposals that highlight your skills and experience. Regularly update your profile with your latest work to attract inbound inquiries. Freelance writing offers flexibility. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose projects that interest you. The business is highly scalable. As you gain experience, you can charge higher rates or expand into related services like content strategy or editing. Eventually, you could even build a content agency, hiring other writers to handle multiple projects, thereby increasing your income potential while maintaining a flexible lifestyle. Business idea number 4, print on demand. Print on demand is a popular e-commerce model where you create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters, and sell them without holding any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the item is printed and shipped directly by the supplier, allowing you to focus on creating and marketing your designs. Steps to start. 1. Create or source unique designs. Start by creating your own designs or sourcing them from freelance designers. Use design software like Adobe Illustrator or free tools like Canva to create eye-catching graphics and slogans that resonate with your target audience. 2. Partner with print-on-demand platforms. Sign up with platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble, which handle printing, packing, and shipping. Integrate these services with your online store or sell directly through the platform's marketplace. 3. Market your products. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook to promote your products. Leverage SEO and content marketing to drive organic traffic, and consider running targeted ads to reach a broader audience. Print on demand requires low upfront investment and eliminates the need for inventory management. It offers the potential for passive income, allowing you to earn money while focusing on creativity and marketing. Business idea number 5, white label products. White labeling involves purchasing generic products from manufacturers and rebranding them with your own label. It allows you to create your own brand without the need for product development or significant R&D costs. Steps to start. 1. Choose a product and find a supplier. Start by researching popular products in your target market, such as skincare products, supplements, or kitchen gadgets. Identify reliable suppliers who offer white label options on platforms like Alibaba, global sources, or local manufacturers. 2. Design your brand and packaging. Create a unique brand name, logo, and packaging design that sets your product apart from competitors. Use design tools like Canva or hire a freelance designer to help with branding. Good packaging and branding are crucial for attracting customers and building brand recognition. 3. Market and sell your products. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or WooCommerce. Use digital marketing strategies such as social media ads, influencer partnerships, and SEO to drive traffic to your store and increase sales. Consider offering discounts or bundle deals to attract initial customers. White labeling offers the advantage of selling ready-made products without the high costs of developing your own. You can focus on marketing and building your brand, allowing you to scale up quickly once you find a product that resonates with your target audience. This business model is cost-effective, scalable, and allows for creative branding opportunities. Now it's time to take action. Choose the business idea that resonates with you. Start small and begin your journey towards achieving your financial goals. Remember, the only limit is your determination. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these business ideas inspiring and valuable. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment with any questions or suggestions. Your support helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to check out the links and resources in the description below for further guidance on starting your own business from home. Let's make your financial freedom a reality.